According to AAA, the average cost of a gallon of gasoline in Hawaii is $5.42. That's 3 cents higher than yesterday's average and more than $1 higher than the nationwide average.
But in many other states, the price of gas has been coming down.
KITV4 Shanila Kabir now joins us live from downtown Honolulu. Shanila, why the difference?
Rick, some residents I spoke to said gas prices here are more wishy-washy, that they're decreasing at almost unseeable rates, but numbers are going down noticeably on the mainland. I spoke to a local economist today, and he said Hawaii is a different ballgame when it comes to this issue.
Kauai resident Carl Avatisian says he travels to the mainland frequently, mostly to Los Angeles and San Francisco. He says he sees major differences in gas prices there, but not here on the islands.
I've been hearing quite a bit about these dropping gas prices. And today I heard that it was the 50th day that the prices have dropped. I went back, I was just there at the Shell station in Lihue, and I noticed that the prices there for diesel haven't gone down at all.
The current average for a gallon of diesel gas is $6.64 on Kauai.
Could be that since August is the biggest tourist month here, because we could see, how many people are here in town right now. And I think it's packed right now. That it could be that they left the prices up because taking care of trying to take advantage of that, but we don't really know what the situation is.
Avatisian says the high price for gasoline is hitting seniors on fixed incomes really hard. He says he puts aside a big chunk of money just for gas. Chief State Economist Eugene Tion says gas prices on the mainland have gone down by 18% since the peak in June, and gas prices here have only gone down by 3.5%. He says this is primarily because Hawaii receives their gasoline from different places than the continental U.S.
About 1/3 of our oil they were coming from Russia, and now we have new sources. The mainland has very small proportion coming from Russia, for example. So the U.S. oil is mainly coming from Canada and other countries close by. So the petroleum price to the U.S. is much cheaper.
And as we reported to you many times, officials in Hawaii are working on making charging stations more convenient and free at some locations. So more residents will switch over to electric vehicles, and high gas prices will impact less of us here. Reporting live, I'm Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.
Thank you, Shanila. Here's a look at the average gas price across each of the major islands. Drivers on Molokai are paying the highest at about $6.36 a gallon. It's $5.62 a gallon on Maui, the Big Island $5.56, Oahu $5.33. Drivers on Lanai are paying the lowest at $4.43